How to speak English language without hesitation. When you speak English language, then you are feeling very hesitation, shyness, and a little bit making mistake fear. I know that this problem is a very initial problem. It means when I was a beginner to speak this language, then I have also faced this problem to fear of the making mistake, hesitation and fear. I know that this problem is a very basics. So in this video I'm going to share with you so many things about the hesitation and how to speak in this language and how to overcome it, because this is a very beginner problem. I'm right that you are facing this problem approximately 1 or 2 months, because this problem is a very beginning and very initial problem. So firstly is a try to speak English language and avoid the translating, because when you are doing the translating in your mind in your Hindi language, then firstly your mind catch and your brain is a catch the Hindi language, then think, then after try to speak English language. This is a very taking time, and that's why your English is a not very good to speak and you feel hesitation. Try to speak English language. You should try to speak directly, not a shortcut, not a try to translate and then try to speak English language. This is a very bad way to speak this language. Dear sir also says that this is a bad thing that you are translating in Hindi, then after you are try to speak English language. This is a very taking time, and this is a cause of your hesitation, and this is a very bad way to speak this language. Okay, so avoid this, because this thing is a very bad. And second, you can try to think in English in your mind, in English, not a Hindi, not your native language, because when you think in Hindi, not Hindi, English, when you think in English, then your mind catch the lot of the vocabularies and pronunciation, accents, so many phrases, vocabularies and idioms. So this is a very good way to learn this language. Think in English wherever you go, like you go to the market, you go to the school, you go to the college, you go to the office. Try to think in English and try to speak this language in your peer groups, in your friend circle, in your fellowship, in your colleague. You are wherever you go, try to speak in English language. It means as soon as you are trying to speak English language, then your English would become a very good, and then you will able to speak this language very fluently. Okay, so this is a very good thing to speak English language and create an environment wherever you go, try to speak English language. And you know that shadowing practice, have you heard the name of the shadowing practice? This practice is a mainly for the beginner. Shadowing practice, when you are watching English videos like Shah Rukh Khan videos, and Shah Rukh Khan says and is speaking lot of the things, then you are try to as well as together the Shah Rukh Khan repeating the words, pronunciation, style and face expressions and so many things. You can imitate the Shah Rukh Khan, the speaker. This is a very good thing to improve and expand your vocabularies, pronunciation, face expression, body language, eye contact, and as well as the communication skill. This is a very good thing to shadowing practice. Shadowing practice is the best method to learn any language, not only English language, but also if you want to speak the foreigner language and any other language, then this is a very easy. This is a make a very easy to speak any language. So this is a very good thing, and you can try the mirror practice. This is a very best practice to be alone. You are alone, then you want to do to practice in the front of the mirror, in the front of the alone, then you can do it, because front of you can stand the front of the mirror, big mirror. You can try to speak English language. Whatever you want to say, you just say. You just say, and then you feel confident. Your pronunciation is a very good. Your face expression, you are looking your face expression, your own self. So this is a very important for you, that you can improve your English, you can improve your communication skill, you can improve your eye contact. So many things through of the mirror practice you can improve. This is a very best thing to improve your English and as well as the communication skill. And that most of the people, where every beginner understand that if I doing mistake, so this is a bad way to learn this language. It means they see that perfection, not a practice and not a process, because English is a learning. English is a joyful learning. You should learn English language very joyful, very very good way and very happiness. with a very happiness and very gladness. This is a very good thing that you are learning English language very gladness. So this is a good thing. And if you are thinking that if any one person judge me, your English is not very good, this is a bad way, because Shahrukh Khan also, big in the beginning, the Shahrukh Khan's English is not very good. You can watch, his previous video, 10-year past video, 20-year past video. You can see that his English is not very good. Okay, so it means a perfection process is a perfection. Day by day you can improve yourself day by day, 1%. This is a very good way. Have you heard the name of the story, the rabbit and the turtle? The rabbit is going very fast, but they one time they stop, they prevent. But turtle going very slow, the 1% better, 1% better, and the turtle won the match. Okay, so turtle, type of the turtle, you should learn this language daily. 1% you can improve yourself. Like me, you can watch my previous video, my first video, and you are watching my this video, and you can see that my improvement, my mistakes. You can see my all of the things about the English learning. That time, approximately 2 month and 3 month passed, I never speak English language. It means I don't able to speak English language that time. And right now also my English is not very good. Right now I am doing a mistake, but I'm trying to speak English language a confident. Okay, so try to speak English language confidently. No matter that you do not know about the lot of the grammars, you have not idea about the grammar vocabulary approximately, and at least you should try to speak English language, broken English. No matter if any one person laughing to you, doesn't matter it, because you are trying to speak English language, and in future you will become a very good professional speaker to speak this language, because you are making mistake, and throughout the making mistake you are learning this language day by day, and you are improving yourself. Language means speaking. Someone person want to learn any language, then speaking is a throw. Speaking is by the speaking, any one person can learn any language. So try to speak English language. No matter that your English is a broken, you have not idea about the vocabulary, pronunciation, accents, doesn't matter it. Try to speak English language and achieve the fluency. This is a very good thing to improve yourself. Okay, and confidence and communication skill, both of things are very important. You have a confidence, and if you have done the mistake, no matter, because your mistake made your ability. Your mistake hide your confident, cause of your confident, because you have a lot of the enthusiasm to speak this language. Then your making mistake is no one person, someone person cannot judge you. If you doing mistake, you have a and confident, you have a lot of the confidence, enthusiasm, eagerness. So this is a very good thing to speak this language. And that your emotion tell about yourself. What's your emotion when you speak? Then feel that this is my native language, and you can say the affirmation that this is my native language, I'm learning this language, I love English language. When I speak English language, then I feel very gladness. When I speak English language, then I feel very better. And day by day, I'm improving myself. So this kind of the affirmations you can say. You can say your warm self. You can say warm self. And English gives you so many things. English gives you so many things. Not only English language, but also like a communication skill, accents, dressing sense, hand gestures, and body language, how to expressions. So many things give you the English language. Okay, so English is a more important for you. When you speak English language, then you have a lot of the idea. But you are trying to speak English language. But you are all of the sudden you are forget all of the things to speak this language. Then this is a beginning problem. This problem I also faced in my initial days. Approximately 1 month past, I also faced this problem that I had not idea about. It means I remembered a lot of the things, but all of the sudden I forget all of the things. Whatever I want to say, I don't know, I have forgotten. So this is a very common problem, and sometimes I also do this mistake. So don't worry for it. The people judging, one time people are judging you, 2 time, 3 time, but fourth time he forget it everything, that he's a worker, he's go to the wound work. Okay, so judge, it means judging yourself, not judge yourself. Improve your English and try to speak English language. So all about this language, and try to speak English language, improve yourself. And thank you for watching till the end.